The House Justice Committee's report on the resolution that sets forth impeachment articles against Vice President Sara Duterte has been referred to the House Committee on Rules during Tuesday's plenary session. Listed in the committee report are findings and conclusions of the Justice Committee after almost 2 months of hearings at the lower chamber. As this happens, the VP's impeachment inches closer to reaching the trial. The House just needs 106 or 1/3 votes for it to move forward. Manila 3rd District Representative Joel Chua remains confident that this number is achievable.
I think that is possible with the development, after the 3 hearings, after lahat ng mga ebidensya na lumabas. So I think that is possible.
In the middle of all these, however, Chua confirmed that he took an oath as a new member of what happens to be the second biggest House bloc at the National Unity Party. He is joined by 2 other Manila District Representatives, Ernix Janicio and Erwin Cheng. Chua used to be part of the House's biggest bloc, Lakas CMD.
Nag-take ng oath tayo as NUP because of yung Manila block. Lahat po kami halos lahat kami nag-NUP. Dahil matagal na namin talagang plano yan na mag-solid kami sa Manila. We were invited by Congressman Valeriano and Congressman Benny Abante to join. So finally, yung matagal na namin pinag-uusapan na magkakaibigan na magsama-sama kami. More on local politics.
The National Unity Party also released a statement on VP Sara's impeachment, calling on its members to have their own independent judgment regarding the matter, while also reaffirming their support for the administration.
Well, there were discussions, but I don't think na mamimilit naman sila eh. So they respect each other's opinion. Kagaya ko, hindi naman ako, I will not change my stand.
Plenary debates on the impeachment are expected to be tackled later today. Kapatid